Good day, friends. I'm Gopa Chakravarti from Greenhouse, Kolkata. Greenhouse is at 548 Lake Road, Kolkata 29. And the booking number 89810 So, friends, I always like to work on Bengal cottons, and the puja is just a few days. I think around 80 days. Still, it is a happening thing in Bengal. So let's start with our Bengal handloom cottons. এগুলো দেখুন, পুজোতে ডুরের বাহার দেখুন। Beautiful dures from Kolkata. Dure shari, they're all horizontal dures, but they look fantastic. You wear it, it'll give you a classic image. Bhishon Shundar. These are all multicolored, hand woven saris. They are all from the looms of Bengal. Dekhun. These are and the striking green border, fluorescent border. Bhishon striking shaita. Wear it with a green blouse. It'll look very nice. These are all Dhonekhali cottons from Bengal, price 1200. 1200 for all these pieces. Meena, fold it. 1200 for all these pieces. I have to spread the sari to give you an actual look of the sari. That is why I am just unfolding all the saris, and look at the width of the sari, which is important. That gives you the actual this thing. What do you say? Actual quality of the sari. The width matters. Look at this. And there are 5.5 meters for each sari. The length is 5.5 and this is 47 inches width. Look at this, how classic they look. They look very nice. आराम से पहनिए, धोइए, सुखाइए और पहनिए. But maintain the saris. They're all heritage saris. Traditional saris from Bengal, 1200 for each piece. 1200 for each piece. Dures of Bengal. আহা, এটা সকালে বাংলার তাঁত পরুন। আমি সবাইকে বলবো বাংলার তাঁত। দেখুন কি সুন্দর লাগে এগুলো পরলে। ভারী মিষ্টি, সাজার ওপরে আপনি কিভাবে সাজবেন এগুলোকে দিয়ে। আপনারা তো খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর সাজেন। ক্লাসিক সাজা যাবে এটা দিয়ে। সিম্পল অ্যান্ড পকেট ফ্রেন্ডলি, একদম সুন্দর অ্যাটায়ার হয়ে যাবে। ভালো একটা প্রপার ম্যাচিং জুয়েলারি, লুক ভেরি নাইস। জুয়েলারি ভালো হলেই, and they should be bindi, whatever way you like. You know better than me, I think. খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর সাজেন আপনারা। Look at these are all going for 1200, flat rate 1200. Beautiful ones. And the woven borders are so striking. ये शाड़ीर मान ही आलादा। ये साड़ी का मान भी है, इस साड़ी का शान भी है। शान से पहनिए ये साड़ीज, बहुत अच्छी लगती है। Look at this. Hats off to our weavers. They're doing great job. 1200 for each piece. 1200 for each piece. Let me check once. Yes, 1200 for each piece. Lovely thing. At modest, for this volume of work they have done, it's a modest price, I feel. 1200 for this. 1200 for this. Shadalal, 1200 for this. All going for 1200. I intentionally showed you because these saris are in demand. Look at this. Eta dekhun. Look at the border part. And আজকাল ধনেখালি ভীষণ উন্নত হয়ে গেছে, অ্যাডভান্সিং। the textile industry, and very fine textured, all going for 1200, all going for 1200. And there's a smart check coming to you. দেখুন এটাও খুব সুন্দর একটা চেক, ছোট 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 miniature checks, fine one, classic. The whole day you can wear and roam around, puja, pandal hopping. You do it with wear this sari, ঘুরে বেড়ান, and freely. All for 1200. 1200, let me check. Yes, this is also for 1200. 1200, this is more, I think, no? This is little on the higher side. Eta dekhun, look at this. This is a very smart check. Look at this. With the woven border. And this is also a very sublime, this thing, no? The combination, the pink, the white night, the soft white and grey and slate, all together. It is a very classic combination. This is going for 1375. 1375, dear friends. Enjoy this handloom sari. All hand woven. I assure you, they're all hand woven ones. And this is the one. এটাও খুব সুন্দর শাড়ি, একটু দেখাই। They're all handloom cottons. Look at this. কাজটা দেখুন, they're all hand woven. They're doing it on looms. Look at this. There's a fish, joda mach, design. It is supposed to be very holy for us. 2200, dear friends. 2200s. 2200. $2,200. Yes, something waiting for you all, for some handwork saris of greenhouse, needlework ones. Let me, this is the one which is a very this thing as a design from greenhouse. Lot of we keep making this design, but still on the go. This is the one, very classic. যখনই পরবেন তখনই ভালো এসব শাড়ি। এসব শাড়ি পরে সুন্দর করে সেজে নিন, একটু ডিফারেন্টলি, একটু অন্যভাবে। Look at this. The basic sari is like this. The whole 2.5 meters, I think, right from the archel till the waist, it covers with this kind of embroidery. It covers with this kind of embroidery, and the second half, it will be like this. It looks good. It looks very nice. You should try out my saris, and this is with the blouse like this. এগুলো পরলেই ভালো লাগে। Yes. This is for 4,800, dear. 4,800 for this piece. It's the one I'll show you. Look at this. Aha. Look at this. And friends, you subscribe my channel if you want to see handloom and these needlework saris. If you're interested for this, we keep making only needlework saris, mainly, not only, mainly we do it. Katha, outline, we have done it like this to uplift the this design. Look at this. This was called ulto kantha, reverse kantha. This is actually reverse kantha. যেখানটা কাঁথা হওয়া ছিল ওই জায়গাটা আমরা we have kept it clean so that जैसे उभरा हुआ डिजाइन दिखती है ये छोड़ के. That is the styling and that is what, look at this. Such a beauty. Dhonekhali taate. This was a simple taat sari which has been highlighted with our woman team. They keep doing our kathas. Prochur katha shari toiri hoy amader. And where's the blouse piece with the sari is this one. This is the blouse piece of the sari. This is the one, look at this. The total effect. And who will get this sari? She has to pay 5200. But you know, I am telling you, you have to be in speed. You keep, you book the sari, but you pay. Pay fast. That's what I mean. Look at this. Otherwise, you'll miss and you regret. This is for 5,200 dear. 5,200. And all my Kutch embroidered saris are always in demand. Prochur shari toiri hoy amader. Look at these, going for 3,900. And the color scheme, must have liked. This is on a peach Dhonekhali cotton. The striped ones, is it visible? Ekdam white, this thing, off-white pinstripes, woven one. This is woven portion, and these are the simple to starch. You just look at this. How gorgeous it will look. This is going for 3,900. 3,900 for this piece. 3,900 for this piece. And one more. To dekhai. Look at this. This is not resham check. This is Dhonekhali cotton. This is not resham check. Resham check. Quality is good. It's just looking like that. This is resham check. The quality is too good. বোঝাই যাচ্ছিল না। দেখো, look at this. Look at this. This is the one. This is fluorescent green and lime yellow. This is that lemony color, you know, nimbu wali color aa ja rahi hai. I feel so. Look at this. The same price, 3,900. 3,900 for all this. The same price. Yes. This is made on Jalchuri Taat. This is called Jalchuri Taat. This is like this. This is these are with lot of stitches together. There's a package of stitches. They are not Lambani definitely, but they're similar to. They wanted to create something like Lambani. These are for the woman team of my store. Look at this. খুব মানে ভালো লাগে এগুলো পরলে, কালারফুল। Playing with colors. Look at this. Let me do it this way so that they could see it properly. এটা কাজটা দেখুন। There were different kind of stitches. নানা রকম স্টিচ দিয়ে এটাকে ডেভেলপ করেছে। And this is the actual effect of the sari. It's like this. And with a bright and beautiful the blouse piece. এটা দেখুন কি dramatic লাগবে। Look at this. Simple sari, simple this thing. This is for 4,600. 4,600, dear friends. 4,600 only. And this one, let me see. This is on half tussar. Half tussar sarees. Half tussar sarees. This is tone on tone. Ekta off-white tussar ki ki shundor kore. We have dyed the achal first and given them for work. Look at this. Kathar kaaj dekhun. Look at take a look, my dear friends. We have given the katha work. The katha work with the edging like this, the simple border which has been done in this color, rust, and a beautiful blouse to go with this. This is the piece. It is darun shundar blouse ta. And this portion is kept like this with tone on tone. This is a print, block prints on half tussar. Block print on half tussar. This is price 5,400. 5,400. 5,400. Half tussar eta. 5,400, dear friends. Lot of embroidery for this sari. I'm deliberately showing you a lot of cottons this time because we need to have cottons during this season. পুজোর সকালটায় তো কটনস পরতেই হবে। Look at this. This is the Alpona design, central paneling, total sari, the effect of the sari. দারুণ লাগবে পরে। বরণ করুন এই শাড়িটা পরে। বরণ করুন দশমীর দিন এই শাড়ি পরে মাকে, মা আসছেন। মাকে বরণের কথা তো কোথায় বলা উচিত ছিল না আমার প্রথমেই, কিন্তু খুব সুন্দর শাড়িটা দেখেই যেন মনে হচ্ছে মা আসুন। আমরা মানে we are waiting, দিন গুনছি, কাউন্টডাউন স্টার্টস, মা আসবেন। Look at this. Look at the sari with this kind of blouse piece. সকাল সকাল এসব শাড়ি পরুন, পরে পুজো বাড়িতে যান, আমার তো মনে হয়। This is costing you 5,400. 5,400 for a beautiful sari. Look at the volume of work. They're all run stitches done. কাঁথা, সম্পূর্ণ কাঁথার কাজ হয়েছে। কাজ দেখুন। This costing 5,400. 5,400 with this blouse piece. And one more. কিছু উল্টো পাল্টা হয়ে গেছে না the blouses? I don't know. কার? sorry. Okay. Yes. আরেকটা দেখুন। Look at this sari. This is 5,800. 5,800 for this sari. Look at this. Eta dekhun. With the woven This price little higher because it has a woven border. And the maroon central paneling Alpona design. Purun. So classy. This is the one. সম্পূর্ণ শাড়িটাতে এই কাজটা, এই কাঁথার কাজটা সম্পূর্ণ শাড়িতে, the whole sari, the entire body of the sari is filled with katha. 5,800 dear friends for this. 5,800 for this. Hope you have enjoyed my cottons, and now I'll be doing up with some of the silks which are for, these are all batik silks. Taratari kore nichi. I'll be fast in showing you. These are the batiks. These are going for 5,800. Colorful ones. Very classy batiks. 5,800. So many of you wanted to have without border batiks. Oh, this is what it is. This is the palla of the sari, abstract. And the softness of the sari, Bishnupur silk. Ki soft sharita. 5,800 for the wax batik. 5,800 for the wax batik. 5,800 dear. फटाफट दिखाएं अभी. But they are all valuable stuff because they are all handmade things. Handmade. I always intended to have a boutique which I will create my taste. I will give you my things. আমার জিনিস যেভাবে আমি পছন্দ করব সেইভাবেই দেখাবো. I'm not going with the fashion. I'm a very conservative person. So my designs are also conservative. Look at this. Isn't it stylish? And the aanchal section goes like this. All for 5,800 only. 5,800 dear friends. 5,800. Classic piece. 5,800. Bishnupur silk. They're all on Bishnupur silk. এটা কিছু একটা উল্টো পাল্টা হয়েছে. This is like this. What a combination. এটা না উল্টো ঠিক ছিল? ও এটাই ঠিক ছিল তাহলে. So I did a blunder. It's okay. You are right. Look at this. ভীষণ সুন্দর কিন্তু এটা. Going for 5,800 dear friends. They kept it like this. The aanchal is a very stylish one. They've पूरा crack बनाया है और इधर the blouse piece is this one. आराम से देखिए, बार बार देखिए. कुछ पसंद है then only you let me know. We will make you satisfied. You let me know and then you tell me. Otherwise you keep it and you hold it for some time और उसके बाद response ही नहीं करते हो. That is also not fair. Friends, evolve your moral responsibilities. Don't forget that. This is the one. 5,800 dear friends. 5,800 with the blouse piece. 5,800 with the blouse piece. Acha, this is the one. Look at this classic piece. Look at this. This is on Bishnupur silk again, but a little more elaborate, more detailing. That is why the price goes up to 6,200. 6,200 this time for this piece. Fatafat dikhiye, look at this. So much of work on blue silk, Bishnupur silk. দেখাও ভালো করে আঁচলটা দেখো। Is it okay? And the blouse piece is over here. Blouse piece. $6,200 for this saree. 6,200, my dear, for this saree. 6,200. And one saree is the same saree now. This is with, not with, this is 5,800 wala. Let me see. This is the one. How do you find these? These are for, this is a very striking one. Look at this. Such a beauty, 5,800 on Bishnupur silk with 3-tiered. And here's the blouse piece with the saree. Fatafat, this is 6,200. 6,200. The very little heavier silk, Bishnupur silk. 6,200. $6,200, one more. Now this is 5,800. Let me check, I'll tell you the price. This is the one. This is also 6,200. 6,200. This is the one. 6,200 we are giving Bishnupur silks. A colorful one. This is the one. Here's the blouse piece with the saree. And that's all for today, friends. And stay blessed. Thank you so much. Love you all, friends. Love you.